Guys, welcome back to another video of Reptile Squad, and today we got something for my brother. So you guys, this thing, he's gonna love it. He's been wanting like something like this for a while. Okay, now I'll show you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a Pac-Man frog! That's a little baby strawberry one. Strawberry albino. So we've been saving up stuff. Like we got the cage and we got some eco earth here. And so later in this video, I'll show you me setting up his cage. He's not gonna live in this tiny container forever. Okay, so we're blindfolding him right now, and so yeah, hey, so excited. Okay, here he is. Okay, now sit down on this chair. Sit down. Take the blindfold off.
Can't get it off.
What? A little strawberry albino Pac-Man frog! Yay! We're gonna set up his cage. Okay. Alright. Yay! Mom, come on. Okay, so we named him Timmy. And so yeah. Okay. His little water bowl thing, his little water dish in there. And so this is the thing. This is his aquarium. We got it used, so it's a little melted right there, but that's fine because they do not climb. But you got all this bark for hiding and stuff. So we got to take all this out. We got this random snail shell thing, and this we're gonna put it right there. Okay, but first, what we're gonna do is we got eco earth here. We're just gonna pour some in. We got scoopers in there. Let's scoop some more.
Try not to spill.
And scoop some more. And we got the water. Yeah, let's spread it. It's already kind of moist for him. But we still gotta add a little more water in. Oh, don't spill. Okay. Get it all around so you don't have to. No. Clean that up. We'll clean that up. But first. Okay. Dump it all in. That's enough. Okay. Spread it all around. They like to burrow a lot, so let's get kind of a thick layer. Now, what next we'll do is we'll start adding some water. Just dump that in. Just a little bit. We'll mix it all around. It's nice and moist. So we're going to pause it, come back to you when it all is ready. So mixed it all up. Just nice. I might add a little more. So it's a little thicker. There, now we got to add the water. Now, I'm just going to mix it all around. Don't get dirty, so just be prepared. So now we're going to start patting it all down and then start putting all the stuff in. And they don't really need a water bowl if you don't like if your stuff is really moist and good. But we are gonna add a water bowl just in case he wants to swim around. Let's start putting stuff in. The first thing I want to add is this thing. We're gonna put one thing there. It's gonna be a hide, and then we can get on top of it if he wants to, but no, other times probably doesn't. But what I'm gonna do, put that like this. Put that on top. Oh! Okay, we'll pause it once I get it, because it's kind of hard. Okay, you guys, I can't seem to get it, so I'll try just adding like that. But then what I did is I took this, and I put it, how did I put this? Let me stack it a little more. Ah, come on. Wait, you guys, we also have the mock. Oh, there we go. Kind of. But so that's what I was trying to do. And we add this ramp. Not that whole room. Want to climb up there just in case. Now we'll start getting this nice piece I found the other day. We'll start like just kind of patting like this. Now what I did is I like that, and I put that thing there, the snail shell. It's not really a snail shell, it's a hermit crab shell. Now I'll just start adding all these little different bark pieces over here to this side. Now this thing is cool because I just, last time, I put it just like, where is it? I'll just put it there, just give him a little spot. Now the water ball is going to go right here. This thing, I'll just set like that, and can hide him there. Now, I'll just keep stacking like this, so it gives it lots of crevices to just hide in. So now, time to add the water bowl. The water bowl, just set it right in there. This is actually the other frog's water bowl. So we'll just set that like that. We're not going to put the water in yet. You guys, I think it's, actually no, we got to put it in once we get it in place where we want it. Okay, so yeah, let's go in. Okay, so we let all the crickets in there. I think they're hiding behind the moss though. Okay, so he tried to get some. He didn't get it. Oh, did he have one in his mouth? Oh, he's eating one, I thought. Oh, I think he had one. We didn't even see. Get that one over. Get that one. Nope. See, they always go like that with their face. Come on, go get one. They're all over there. Don't go under there. So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed, and hit that thumbs up button if you think my brother's gonna enjoy his pet. And I think he will. But